Thank you for taking the time to review our presentation on assessing and developing a suite of digital home assistant applications for older adults aging with long-term mobility disabilities. Voice-activated digital assistant devices, such as the Amazon Alexa Echo Show, hold great promise for older adults aging with mobility disabilities. These technologies have the potential to provide both support with instrumental activities needed for independence, as well as enriching activities of daily life. However, digital assistant technologies may also have some potential barriers to adoption and use. In particular, there's a need for instructional materials that are catered to the needs and preferences of older adults aging with mobility disabilities. And there's need for recommendation of skills and applications that have been user tested and designed to the needs and capabilities of older adults aging with mobility disabilities. Today, I will be reporting on part of our efforts from years 2 and 3 of an ongoing TechSAge and NIDLR-funded 5-year research and development project. The main goals of this development project are to build a suite of instructional materials, test commercially available applications in several key areas, and also to develop our own Alexa skill to help personalize use for older adults aging with mobility disabilities and integrate the suites of instructional materials and user-friendly Alexa skills and applications. Turning next to an overview of our commercial application testing process. Specifically, we used 5 steps throughout our commercial application testing procedures. In this presentation, I'll primarily focus on our results from Step 4, user testing, as well as Step 5, results from our longitudinal field testing. The list of boxes on the right side of the screen shows the different health applications that underwent our formal user testing process. For the health information seeking applications, we found that WebMD was the easiest application to set up and use. In addition, WebMD was more comprehensive and provided more comprehensive health information regarding symptomology and pharmaceutical drugs compared to My Medicine Cabinet and the Mayo Clinic First Aid application. Regarding nutrition and health information tracking, NutritionIX had better usability scores compared to MyFitnessPal and more accurate tracking features as well, in particular regarding to hydration and sodium tracking. Finally, Headspace had better usability scores as well as many more programs aimed at specific target goals such as improved sleep, stress, conflict resolution, and relaxation compared to the other applications tested in this category. In addition to testing commercially available health applications, we are also investigating skills and applications that can be used for social communication as well as physical exercise. In the next several slides, I'll be reporting on our initial findings from steps 1 and 2 of our testing process. During our initial field testing, we were able to identify that older adults had a strong desire to use their Amazon Echo Show device to communicate with others. However, many faced challenges in being able to set up their device in a manner that allowed them to make phone calls and required instructional support in order to be able to do so. Amazon has created several physical exercise skills and features that were designed for older adults and those aging with mobility disabilities. Our team is currently assessing these 3 applications for feasibility and usability, as well as exploring other applications and skills that can be used for physical exercise. Next, turning to a brief overview of the personalized application recommendation skill that our team is developing. The app integrates commercial skills as well as Alexa applications and meets the need of providing a personalized roadmap to help older adults navigate and explore possible use cases of their device, as well as provide corresponding instructional support that is easy to use and enjoyable. Our preliminary findings from our ongoing field testing suggest that older adult residents of assisted and independent living facilities hold positive initial attitudes and perceptions towards their Echo Show devices and perceive them as useful in their daily life. In addition, participants expressed a strong desire to use their device to communicate with others. Many participants also expressed interest in using a personalized recommendation application that could help them learn what Alexa could do and provide instructional support. Looking ahead, we will continue to conduct our longitudinal field testing, investigate and test voice-activated social communication skills, as well as physical exercise skills and applications, and we will continue to engage in the user-centered development of our instructional support and recommendation application. Thank you. We look forward to your questions and suggestions.